Hi everyone, in this video we're going to analyze bank statements using Kudra. In this specific case we're going to parse tables from our bank statements and then feed it to an LLM to analyze it and give us recommendation. So to get started we're going to go ahead and go to workflows on the left side, and this is again where we build our custom or assemble our services together to create a custom document workflow. I have already created one, but let's go ahead and create a new one. So we're going to go create new workflow, press on create a workflow from scratch and give it a name, bank statement analyzer, and press create workflow. So as mentioned in the previous videos, the first step is to define what type of documents would you like to import. So in this case, we're going to import PDFs and pictures. The next step, we're going to add our services together to analyze our bank statements. And the first step is to basically read tables. So we're going to have tables in our bank statements. We would like to read them accurately. And to do so, we're going to click on this plus sign and select from the list extract tables. So this will allow us to parse almost with 95% accuracy our tables in a very accurate way. So once we extract our tables, now the next step is to feed that to an LLM or to the AI to analyze it for us. And here we're going to click again on the plus sign and we're going to select ChatGPT. So Kudra supports, as of today, OpenAI ChatGPT. We're going to add more models in the future. So you open, let's go ahead and open this configuration button, the configuration window. And here we're going to define our prompt. So we're going to tell it, okay, you are a financial advisor. Please analyze the bank statements stated below and provide recommendation on improving my spending habit, for example. And here, what I recommend to do is add at the bottom your bank statements. So we're going to tell it, here are the bank statements. And then here, what we're going to do is click on this, input extracted tables. And what this does is we're going to get the, this variable basically is the output of the previous service. So after the tables get parsed, they get fed to the next service, which is the LLM. And that's it. So now we're going to go ahead and call this analyzer. And then we're going to go ahead and export our data. That's it. So now we're good to go. We're going to go ahead and save this workflow. And we created this new workflow right here. So right now we need to attach a workflow to a project. So we're going to go head back to the projects. We're going to create a new project. Let's give it a name, bank statement analyzer version 2. And we're going to press next. We're going to select choose templates. And here we're going to go to the custom because we created the custom workflow. And we're going to select the last one, which is the one we created. So here before we run our analysis, we're just going to go ahead and check that this is the prompt that we want. And looks like it's correct. That's the one we just created. And then we're going to go ahead and press next. And that's it. So now we can actually import our bank statements. So let's go ahead and import our bank statements. I have one already here. This is an example. We're going to press open and press extract. It's really that simple. So the first step is create your custom workflow, add your configuration, which is your prompt, and then attach the workflow to a project, and then run your PDFs or your images. So I already have run this project before this video, and this is the example. This is the result. So this is our bank statement. It has a bunch of, paid out, paid in transactions with different types. If you hover on this bank statement, first of all, you can see that this table has been parsed correctly. So this was already parsed with our table extraction service. Now, then, if you would like to see the output of our analysis using the LLM, we can simply open this analyzer on the right side. And here we can see the analysis of our LLM of the bank statement. So the first step is the LLM went ahead and analyzed the bank statement as it is. So it did some analysis here. And then at the bottom, you can see this is the recommendation. So based on the bank statement, here are the recommendations. So fast payment transactions such as payment made to Amazon, Morrison Petrol, Marriott Hotels, should be reviewed to identify any unnecessary impulsive spending. Evaluate the purpose of frequency of BACS payments. Evaluate the loan repayment. And it goes deep into details about different transactions and how they affect your spending. So this is pretty much how it works. You can obviously edit this prompt. So if you want something else to do, not just recommendation, but for example, you want to do some reconciliation of the bank statements, or you want to categorize the type of transactions, it will do that for you basically. So once you're done with this analysis, you can actually export this out in a CSV file. So click on Excel file, and then we're going to press save. So now the file is downloaded, so we can open it to see what it looks like. But pretty much you're going to get the tables that was parsed. So if we move, click on tables here, you can see that there are tables that were parsed and also the output of our text. And that's it. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, please leave us an email or send us an email. We'll respond right away. Thank you for watching.